Hello and welcome to Getrid.my. Here I will guide you step by step on how to sign up as a member and buy or sell your item using our site. Firstly, visit www.getrid.my. And click the register button on the top right shown on the screen. Then, choose your package, monthly or yearly membership. After choosing a package, you will be redirected to the Stripe Secure Payment tab, as shown on the screen. Under Contact Information, input your email and phone number. Then key in your payment method on the secure Stripe site. Once payment has been made, you will get a confirmation message on the site. Check your email, the one you registered with, and wait for an email from Getrid.my. Please allow up to 24 hours after payment for the email, and be sure to check your spam folder as well. Once you have received the email, open it, and you will see your login details, and be asked to change your password using the link provided. After changing your password, simply visit www.getrid.my and click the login button. Log in with your details and you're done. Congratulations! You can now browse through the site and check out all the item listings by our users. Feel free to browse all the categories of items as much as you want and get the contact information of the seller. For selling your very own item, click the Post Ad button on the top right. Now fill in the information regarding the item you're selling. You could also upload a picture or a video. When you're done, click the checkmark button of the terms and condition, then click Submit. Once you submit an ad posting, please wait for a confirmation email from our site admin before seeing your post live on Getrid.my. You should get an email from our site admin within 24 hours, confirming your ad posting on our site. Once your ad has been confirmed, other users of Getrid.my can now see your ad and your contact info should they be interested in buying the item. Thank you for watching. Be sure to contact our support should you have any inquiry or feedback regarding the site.